Welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel will help you to learn mathematics concepts easily and in an interesting way. Today, the concept what I am selecting is tables. As you know, tables are the basic knowledge of mathematics that each and everyone should know very well. Then only they can solve most of the problems of mathematics easily. So today my concept is the tips and tricks behind writing the tables. And I'm dividing this session into three main videos. In the first video, you are going to learn the tips and tricks behind writing the tables from 2 to 5. In the second video, you are going to learn the tips and tricks behind writing the tables from 6 to 9. And 10th and 11th table is very easy to learn. After that, in the third video of this session, you are going to learn the tips and the tricks behind writing the tables from 12 to all other numbers. How many numbers you want, you can write down in the same method what I will explain in the third video. So please do watch all the three videos, share with your friends, learn and subscribe to my channel. Yes, now let us start the tips and tricks to learn the tables. In this video, I am going to show you the tips and tricks to learn the tables from 2 to 5. In my next video, you will come to know about 6 to 10. Now, I am going to start with the 2 times table, the tricks behind writing the 2 times table. For that, I have prepared a table like this. This contains number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are 5. We call it as 2 cross 5. 2 cross 5 table. So now in the first row I am going to fill the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And the same numbers I am going to write in the second row. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Next, in the first row, since it is a first row, in the 10th place of these numbers, I am going to write down the 0 except the last row number, that is 0. Similarly, for the second row, since it is a second row, I am going to write down the 1 for the 10th place of these numbers except the last row number. Now, as I said, here I am going to write down 0, 0, 0, 0. As I said, except the last one, I am going to write down here 1. Similarly, for the second row, I am going to write down 1 in the 10th place of these numbers. 1, 1, 1, 1, and except the last row, as I said, here I am writing the number 2. So now the table of 2 is completed. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and the 2 tens are 20. This is what the trick behind writing the 2 times table. Understood? Okay, come, let us go to the next 3 times table now. Yes, for the 3 times table, I have to start. I need a table of 3 cross 3. That is, number of rows are also 3 and number of columns are also 3. Now I am going to start from the first column and the last row, the last cell. From here I am going to start, and from here I have to write down the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here I am writing the 0. Okay, next After writing these numbers, considering the first row, this is the first row, second row and the third row. In the first row, I am going to write down 0 in the tens place. In the second row, I am going to write down 1 in the tens place. In the third row, I am going to write down 2 in the tens place. Okay, as I said, since it is the first row, 0, 0, 0 for the tens place. And here, since it is the second row, I am going to write down 1, 1, 1 in the second row. Since it is the third row, I am going to write down 2, 2, 2, and here I am writing 3. Okay, now the table of 3 is completed. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Now, this is the trick behind writing the 3 times table or remembering the 3 times table. Understood, children? Okay. Next, I'm going to the 4 times table now. For this, I don't need any table here and all. Just I want 2 W's or 2 M. Whatever you can learn or whatever you can understand, you can see that. So now, here, I'm going to write down all the even numbers now in the zigzag way. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Similarly, here also I am writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Now, observe here. Now, this is my first row, this is my second row, this is my third row, and this will be my fourth row, right? Now, for this, here I am going to write down, since in the first row I am going to write down 0 in the tens place. 0, 0. Okay, and in the second row I am going to write down 1 in the tens place. 1, 1, and except the last number I am writing 1 for the tens place. In these two numbers, here I am writing 2. Next, here also I am continuing the same. Here, since it is a first row of the second letter M, so I am writing 2, 2. Since it is a fourth row, I am going to write down 3 in the tens place of these two numbers, except the last number. The last number I am going to write it as in the tens place 4. So now the table of 4 is ready. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. This is a 4 times table. This is the trick behind how we can easily remember the 4 times table. Understood? Okay. Next table I'm going to show you is 5 times table. What is that? 5 times table. Okay. For that, here I have to, since we know that in the 5 times table the unit digit numbers are always 50, 50, 50, right? So first I am going to write down that 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Next 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. After this, since we know that the pattern of writing the 5 times table is 5050 will be in the unit place. Next, for the tens place, here we have to follow a distinct pattern. The pattern here I am following is, for the tens place, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5. I have to follow this pattern to fill the tens place of these numbers now. What is the pattern? 0, yes, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So now the table of 5 is ready. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So now we have completed the 5 times table. So in this video I have shown you how we can easily remember the tables of 2 to 5. These are the tricks behind writing the tables. In my next video, I am going to show you the tricks behind writing the tables from 6 to 10.